and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking into this video. Today I am going to teach you how you can curve text in your CapCut. So make sure that you stay until the very end of the video so you won't miss any important steps. So let's get on it. First, what you'll need to do is to simply go to your CapCut app on your device, and then after doing so, just tap on to the new project right here at the center part of the screen, and then go to the stock videos. Then just select any stock videos that you want to add to your project or you want to use to your project. Just select and then tap onto the add button at the bottom part. And then in here, you can now add the text that you want to have on your project. So I'm just going to do that, and I'm going to type in thank you just for a presentation purposes. And then you can even edit this out. You can change your style. You can change the font of this one. Just like that. I'm going to select this font right here, so you can choose whatever font that you want to use. And then after doing so, you can go ahead and delete this ending right here and then export. So after exporting it, just wait for a few seconds. And after exporting the video, just go ahead and tap the done button. And then we are going to start again a new project. So just tap onto that, and then now what you're going to do is select the video that you have saved earlier or the project that you did earlier, and then tap onto the add button right here, and then as usual, just delete first the ending part of the video right here. And then this is the most important part, so make sure that you follow these steps right here. So just tap this video, and then just scroll this menu right here, and then go to the retouch section. So on retouch, select the body, and then on the upper part right here, tap onto the manual, and then slim. And this right here, you can add this or edit this. Set this as like this. So make sure that you have set the lines at the center part of the text on your project. And after doing so, you can go ahead and set the curve however you want. So you can go to your left and even right however you want. So if you're already satisfied with what you have on your project, you can go ahead and tap the check at the bottom part and then just simply export it. So that's it for this video, and I hope this helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and click notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.